Now look at the question about this Ethernet. On Ethernet LAN, so if you are having this Ethernet LAN, when a collision is detected, the sending station should, which means whenever there is a collision, let us say two stations are transmitting and now there is a collision detection means the collision signal came back, right? So whenever the collision signal is seen by the sender, either this one or this one, what should the sender do? So they are saying that continue to send the transmission. Obviously once you detect that there is a collision, you should not send transmission because already you know that the data is being lost, so it is not the option. Temporarily quit the transmission, which means you stop for some time transmission. How much time? That depends, we shall see it later. Therefore this is the answer, temporarily quit the transmission. Next one is notifies the destination of an error. It is never done. No one is going to say the destination that there is an error, right? So there is something called as jamming signal. I'll take that jamming signal in some other question, but then anyway it is not just to notify the destination, it is to notify everyone. Jamming signal I'll teach in some other question, okay? Remember that. Anyway, notification is not sent to the destination of any error. It is not the answer. Permanently quits the transmission. If it happens, the last option is saying that a station which gets involved in collision will permanently stop the transmission. It is never going to happen, isn't it? If it happens, then no one will ever transmit any data in Ethernet because continuously collisions will happen, and if continuously everyone stops permanently, it is not a right thing, right? Therefore, B is the answer, right?